video until the end of September will be a giveaway video, guys. If you want a chance to win 10 online codes and those two beautiful cards, this Flying Pikachu Secret Rare card from Evolutions and this Steelix EX card from Steam Siege, all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to the channel, like this video and comment down below your favorite Pokemon from the newest Burning Shadows set. Good luck to all, guys! Welcome back, guys, SinisterGoblin here, how are you? Today is one pack day again and I have here this Sun and Moon Burning Shadows booster pack, but it is not alone. It's together with this collector's album. It holds 16 cards. It's a mini collector's album and why not? Let's do it. Let's open the whole pack. The price is the same as the one booster pack, so why not? Very beautiful. It's with Necrozma. And here is the pack, guys. The previous score between lucky days and the unlucky days is 411. You can get the code, guys. What do you think, guys? Can we do the 511 today? Oh, sorry, this goes here. Okay, and I believe it's okay now. Let's start. First card is Duskull, Odis, Dynamo, Mudbray, Stewhole, Simipour, Noctowl, Electabuzz, Reverse Holo Magikarp, and the rare Araquanid non-holo. Okay, guys, I don't expect nothing better from this pack, but it's okay. Now the lucky days, the score between lucky days and the unlucky days is 412. Stay tuned, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like. Also, if you want to support me, you can find a subscribe button right here in this Pokeball. Thank you guys again, see you at the next video, bye!